Okay, we got 1.623 and we need to take it down to 1.50. Let's get her done. Let's set our 0. Call that a keeper. Our next cut is 1 inch in diameter and a ½ inch in. We're at 150, so we got to take 5 hundo off. I wanted to mention the reason I got the 4-jaw chuck in here is because this is an 8-inch chuck and it has a bigger center bore. So I didn't want to waste this expensive stock, which is about 9-10 inches long. My 3-jaw, it wouldn't go through the center. This one it does, so I'm saving all this material. So let's take this down to 1 inch. Call that good. What do you think? Okay, we got to punch a 3/4 inch hole in here. $750. Before we finish boring this to the final diameter, I wanted to talk about this boring bar. I picked this up from Steve Barton of Solid Rock Machine Shop Incorporated. I met Steve and his daughters and son at the Barzy Summer Bash last year. He makes some really nice stuff. I gotta say, thank you, Steve. This thing is sweet. Steve and his son have a YouTube channel as well, Solid Rock Machine Shop. Go check him out. I'm sure if you're subscribed to me, you're subscribed to him. If not, get over there and check him out. Here's the tube this boring bar came in. This is the first time I'm going to get to use this thing, and I'm excited about it. It's such a nice tool. Steve makes some really nice tooling. So with that, let's get boring. Okay, we got 50 thou to go. Look at that finish, man, like glass. Oh man, right on the nut. Let's give our new bushing trial fit up. Little bit of wiggle room for some grease in there. So our goal is to actually bring this shoulder flush where the back of the horseshoe washer is going to be. And it looks like we are damn close. Oh man, I couldn't ask for a better fit up than that. It doesn't rub the horseshoe washer, and there is very, very little play. I mean, that's what I call dead nuts. That's pretty damn good for me anyway. Okay, man, time to move to the next step. Man, that fits in there good. Here's a little tighter shot of the bushing in its new home. For my next trick, I'm going to use these little transfer screws. This is a 1032 set to locate the holes in our new horseshoe washer. Yes, I could just lay this one from the other vise on here, but I want to get it more accurate as I can get it. So let's install these, lay that thing on there, put some Sharpie layup dye on there, and go to town. Here's your transfer screws. I'm sure you guys seen them before. Trying to get them all as even as possible and not too proud off that surface. Okay, that looks good. Okay, we got our marks. We're going to take our little tiny dinks and make them a little bigger dinks now. I think that's what they're called, dinks, right? So now we've got some good transfer marks to go off of here. Let's try a fit up here. I'm gonna just temporarily use these button heads. I'm either gonna do a low shoulder socket cap or a 80-degree taper countersink. I'm not sure yet. One or the other, but let's see if this thing lines up. Okay. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Now we got to decide which type of fastener we're going to use, and then machine our horseshoe part. And then a lot of suggestions from the last video was to taper this, and I like that idea. It'll give it more of a like it was supposed to be there look instead of an afterthought. A few of you in the comments mentioned, why don't you just weld this in and remachine it? Yeah, I could do that, but I already had the washer and it fit in there like it was made for it. If I did weld this in, it would be just like it was when it was brand new. But, you know, it is what it is. I'm going to go with the washer. It's the kind of thing where if it doesn't work out, no harm, no foul. I can take it back out, weld it up, and use a factory horseshoe washer.